Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change username on MacBook. Let's get started without wasting any time. To change the username, first of all, open the system settings on your Mac. Now, swipe down to find users and groups and tap on it. Next, right click on the username and select advanced options. Now, enter your Mac password to allow this and tap unlock. Please note that I am using macOS Ventura here, so if you are using another version of Mac, you will see these options a little differently. Now to change the username, you need to tap on this section which displays full name. So right now it is Mac user. You can change it to anything else like Abbas Khan. After changing the name, tap on OK button. As you can see here, the username has been changed to Abbas Khan. That's it. Like this video and share with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.